Hello guys, I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me good enough because I don't have a mic today because my brother's using it, you know, you know. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make an outfit under 2K or like exactly at 2K and probably like a little above, like a little over 2K. So yeah, I'm just gonna take all this stuff off and then I'll be right. I feel so dumb because I was going over here like clicking it. Dolls I'm usually at it, so I'm gonna go on wearing it, take those all off. Okay, guys, so we took off everything, literally everything. We didn't even keep on the avatar that they gave us. So first things first, go find you like a little cheap $300. Look, found me one already. $300 avatar. Okay, if you can find one for cheaper, then get it, cause avatar. So she's up here looking like I don't even know what she looks like, a sloth. Okay. So we're just gonna go ahead and pick a head. Try to find you that little cheap head, you know. You ain't trying to, if you don't want your eyebrow game to be on fleek, then it doesn't have to. They got a head right here for $700. It ain't the best head, but it is a head, you know. I look at this one, but I already know it's gonna be like cheap and they got any money, you know. You know, if this head don't work out, we'll see. We'll see. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but it's gonna be really hard. I'm probably just gonna change it like 3K or something because you know. Sorry if I'm being weird, guys. I'm just so bored. um, nah, nah. Of course, choose any skin that you wanna choose. Just make sure it's a cheap skin. Just gonna go for the simple and cute. You know, it's simple and it's cute. Okay. Um, if you thought your girl spent all this money, you thought. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's my girl? Queen. Queen. Where are you, Queen? Here goes Queen. I didn't know how to spell her name, so. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is cute too. Hold on. Insta baddie. Okay. The curves look already over 2K. So I'm just gonna change it to 3K because that's usually, bro, they used to give us 3K to work with. Like, the girl was going through the struggle, bro. The girl was going through the struggle. Oh, she got the outfit? Hell, really? Doesn't tell me. Stop. Um, oh. Okay, this isn't that bad of a top, actually. It's not that bad. I'm kind of feeling it, but I don't know. Um, well, like this, on budget, be like, on budget, but you still want to look cute? No problem. We gotcha. Six. I'm gonna be a little baddie, you know. She know the budget for real. Should like if my we're gonna change that later though. Yeah, no, we're gonna change this right now immediately. Actually, let's just get off of that. Okay. So just get your little basic little top, you know. Get the white top. Look at the white top, okay? Get your white basic top, you know. Or I think they used to give us 4K. I don't know how much they gave us, but that was not working when we first started. And I know everybody get these pants, okay? I know everybody first start off, so just go ahead and put them on. Just go ahead and put them on. And, think you could away with something and put on the little white shoes that they give you. They don't. Oh, let's see. They don't give us the white ones. Why not though? She has no type of shape to her, but like Boris is gonna want her, and they give us this now to start off with. So that's what I use. I didn't buy like any other massages for my hands. And then just get your girl some hands, and they'll be like, what? You put in the little pink nails, or you can give it the little black ones. Like it don't matter. Y'all not need this. Oh, and they give you this foot massager too. Got okay, your girl's on budget, but guess what? She's still slaying. What eyes do I have on? Did I not take off my eyes? Oh, they gave me these eyes. Is you joking me? They gave me these eyes? Hold on. How do I get these eyes? I don't have on any eyes, guys. Ooh, that's cute. I'm gonna make a new account and be on budget for real. Control the life out of people. Oh, look, they gave me eyes. This is a good deal. Shoot. And what's your extra money? Because you're gonna get 5K and $600 or $500 if I believe. If I'm correct. You're still gonna have money left over. Like you're not gonna be no one outfit type girl. If you want to throw on them accessories, this is like for the cheaper ones. Like if you don't have no money, this is for you. But if you do got money and you want to make this outfit not so basic, follow me, girl. Let me tell you, put on this little jacket, a little camel jacket. Add on your little lip gloss or whatever. Just go ahead, add it on. If you're a rip fit, oh, that didn't do nothing. That really didn't help anything at all. Just take that off. Like I'm like a cheap person. If it doesn't help me out at all, like I just don't notice a difference, I take it off immediately. Like it's not doing nothing for me, so like why do I have it on? Waste money. Um Oh, maybe we can just smile instead and be like, yeah, you think I'm ugly? Well, I'm gonna smile on your face about it. Oh, never mind. She's like, who did it and why? Mm, yeah. So we're gonna give her a little shape. I hope that we can give her a little shape. I hope that we can give her a shape. Okay, this actually did help. Oh, this actually looks nice. Hold on. That did help. That helped us so bad. Yes, like, slay queen. They can't say you nothing. And if you don't want these ugly brows that they give you, the brows are not that bad. They're not that bad. But if you want some other brows, get your girl some brows, okay? All on budget. All on budget. For real. Ooh, yes. Yes. Working from the back. Okay. And if you don't want to use the shoes the IMVU gave you, it's okay. Don't use them. Get your girl some Air Forces, Just get her some Air Forces. She'll love you. If you still got a little money left over, you don't want to wear the bottoms that they gave you, just do it. Just change the bottoms. Go with the all white fit and the camel jacket type thing, you know? And if this isn't working for you, if you don't want all the white thing and then just instead of add a camel, you want some more black, then get some more black, you know? So yeah, this is it for the video. I'm actually glad that it wasn't too long, and I hope it wasn't boring either. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out the video that I posted, which it wasn't the best video, but it was a good video, I guess. my next video, comment down below what I should do for my next video. Yeah. Also, I'm gonna be doing a count giveaway, and you guys will see that soon. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Alright. Peace, guys.